What are the paradoxes of division by zero errors? Imagine trying to divide a number by nothing at all. It sounds simple, but in math and programming, it leads to some strange and confusing situations. When you see a division by zero error, it's not just a bug, it's a puzzle that reveals some deep contradictions. In math, division is the opposite of multiplication. For example, dividing 6 by 3 asks, what number times 3 equals 6? The answer is 2. But if you try to do 6 divided by 0, it's impossible because no number times 0 can give you 6. 0 times any number is always 0, so there's no solution. This creates a paradox because division by 0 doesn't make sense within the rules of arithmetic. Now things get even more interesting with 0 divided by 0. Think about it. 0 times what number equals 0? Well, any number times 0 is 0, so 0 divided by 0 could be anything. It's called indeterminate because it doesn't have a single answer. This is a paradox because division should give a unique result, but in this case, it doesn't. It's like asking, what number fits this equation? And getting all possible answers. In programming, these paradoxes cause runtime errors. When a program tries to divide a number by 0, it cannot proceed logically. Most programming languages will stop and throw an error or crash. This is a safety measure to prevent the computer from doing something undefined or nonsensical. It's like hitting a wall in the code that says, you can't do this. These paradoxes also show up in higher math, like calculus. When mathematicians deal with limits approaching 0, they have to be careful. Sometimes division by a very small number approaches infinity, which is a different kind of paradox. Other times, it leads to indeterminate forms that need special techniques to work through. So, the paradoxes of division by 0 come down to a few key points. First, no number times 0 can give a non-zero number, so dividing by 0 is impossible. Second, 0 divided by 0 can be anything, which breaks the rule of having a single answer. Third, allowing division by 0 would break the logical rules of math and cause contradictions. And finally, in programming, these errors cause crashes or exceptions, making it essential to check inputs and prevent such operations. Understanding these paradoxes helps programmers see why division by 0 must be handled carefully and why it's such a common source of bugs.